Hey, it's Felicia Marie, and this is 4 weeks into my starter lock journey. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And to those of you returning, as you can see, I resorted back to the 2-strand twist method for the state and health of my hair after my takedown. I did interlock my hair at the root, just a 1-point rotation to prevent any unraveling and to prepare myself for my first wash day. This is my first wash for this journey. As you can see, I'm not braiding or banding this time around. I have considered interlocking my hair once again with a 2-point rotation, more so for convenience, but that'll be maybe later on in my journey. But for right now, I'm going to start with retwisting. I am trying out new products for my type 4 hair to combat any dryness or flaking on my scalp. If you all are interested in what I resulted to use, please let me know in the comment section below. Here is the results of my wash. There is no unraveling of my twist. You can see the new growth, a healthy canvas here to start with for my first retwist. So I'm just excited, y'all. I think this set is it. Fingers crossed. And no, I've done nothing to these gray hairs. I had a really bad experience dyeing my hair, and I'll save that for another video. But for right now, y'all gonna have to deal with my white walkers. Here I have my cotton t-shirt. I'm blotting out the excess water from my wash, and I'm about to get into this retwist. Here's what I'll be using for my retwist: jojoba and peppermint oils, duck clips and prongs, my combs of choice here, as well as my rat tail, and purified water in my continuous spray bottle. This set of locks is definitely double in size. For those of you who don't know, I had 323 locks my last set. Let me know how many locks you think I have for my new set of locks and put it down in the comment section below. I will be doing a lock count video later on during my journey. I've already added a few drops of peppermint oil to my jojoba oil applicator bottle. I'll be applying oil to my scalp prior to my retwist. I'm massaging the oil into my scalp, and I'm going to smooth it down the shaft of my hair. Let's get into this retwist. Here you'll need your duck clips as well as your prongs. If your hair starts to feel like it's drying out, use your water bottle prior to retwisting your hair to prevent any breakage. Here, I'm just fine-tuning my parts with my comb, and I'll be resulting to using my fingers for my retwist. I was going to attempt a comb coil, but my size comb is way too big. So if you're considering doing so, make sure you have a comb with small enough teeth. That didn't work for me. As for my clip placement, I'll be placing it at a downward angle, trying to secure the entirety of the area I retwisted. Let's remove these clips and see my final results. I'm so excited, y'all. To a fresh retwist. It's just something about the look of it for me, y'all. The look of my locks is definitely more scalpy for me this time around, but I know they'll thicken up over time. I am learning how to embrace this journey. I know this is also a spiritual journey as well, and so I'm looking forward to learning more about my crown, more about me, and finding my place here in a loc community. I just want to thank you guys, if you made it this far, for tuning in and sticking it out. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with me along this journey. But as always, I'm sending you all my peace and my love. That'll never change. And I look forward to catching you guys on the next video. Peace.